Welcome back. How are you all doing today? Hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. So today's video, I am going to be giving you 5 top benefits of wearing hair bonnets, satin bonnets. I'll take that back. Satin bonnets. All right. We have 5 top benefits that I'll be sharing with you ladies today. So if this sounds interesting to you, please keep on watching.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
First of all, let us talk about the benefits of wearing bonnets before I move on to today's topic. All right, we're going to be talking about 5 top benefits of wearing satin bonnets. All right, but I will first of all want to talk about bonnets generally, the reason why we should wear it. First of all, according to Google, when I Google it, of course I know it, but I just want to give you guys the perfect definition, so I decided to go on Google. Wearing a bonnet helps to prevent frictions while you sleep at night, therefore reducing amount of frizz when you wake up. All right, also according to Google, it says it helps to protect and elevate stress and helps to prevent split ends. All right, that was my research when I researched it. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 top benefits of wearing satin bonnets. And before I move on, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified every time I have a new video. And please do leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Wearing satin bonnet helps to prevent hair breakage. All right, we have heard that in the we've heard that in the definition. All right, sleeping with your satin bonnet helps to prevent and retain hair breakage. Also help you to retain your long length. If you are the type that you want your hair to be long, you aspire to have long hair, you have to, even if you have short hair, you need to wear satin bonnet to sleep in order to prevent your hair being break. Because if you're using a cotton bonnets or all other type of bonnets, which I used to use before, don't get me wrong, I used to do that before, but I recently started incorporating satin bonnet into my my lifestyle and also pillowcases. I'm going to be talking about that in the future. I'm going to be talking about I have topic idea for that, and I'll be featuring that with you all in the future by the grace of God. So I started incorporating that into my lifestyle. So if you use any type of other bonnet, there's possibility, yes, your hair will break and you will not be able to retain your long length, and there will be friction every time you move here and there between your cotton pillowcase and your cotton bonnet or all other type of bonnets that you might have been using in the past. So I will recommend use satin bonnets in order for you to retain the length and to avoid breakage. The number 2 that I'll be sharing with you, or it helps to prevent or reduce the amount of split ends. Split ends are normal, they normally happen naturally, but if you prevent it by wearing your satin bonnet, it's going to help you and to reduce it, okay, to the barest minimum to prevent your split end. So I will always recommend that you should use your satin bonnet whenever you're going to sleep, compared to using all other form of bonnets in order to reduce split end. The number 3 point I'll be sharing with you is when you're using cotton or all other kind of bonnets, your hair is likely not to retain moisture. All right, and you all need that. Imagine you taking your time at night to put all those nutritious oil, all those wonderful products that you always use at night before you go to sleep, and you ended up sleeping on cotton pillowcase and all other kind of bonnets that you've been using in the past. They're gonna absorb all the oil, all the good stuff that you already incorporated into your hair before you lay down. It's gonna absorb it, thereby it's gonna be dry and it will result into breakage. All right, that brings me back to point one. You all see the reason why you need to use satin bonnet. The satin bonnet doesn't absorb oil, it doesn't take off your products, it's going to make it to retain the moisture in your hair. So I would recommend it. Use satin bonnets in order for you to retain moisture in your hair. My fourth point is going to be, when you use satin bonnet, it helps to let you have a long lasting hairstyle. This is no brainer. We all know that when we have this hair done and we always put them up in ponytail at night, and you go to sleep just like that without covering it up, or of course it's gonna look very rough, it's gonna look very unpresentable by the time you wake up. And some of us, sometimes we just wake up and we just want to go like, I woke up like that kind of a thing. I just want to go grab a cup of coffee, and you just step out of your house looking like, you know, all hair everywhere and everywhere. But if you have it in a satin bonnet, it's going to retain the style for you. No matter what, it's going to retain it, and it's going to make it look so presentable. Then you will be like, I woke up like that kind of a thing. Like, you're going to look all presentable. Even when you wake up, your satin bonnet is still there. By the time you take it off, your hairstyle is still in place. Point number 5 is, when you use satin bonnet, it helps to prevent breakage. This is how I'm going to explain it. When you have cotton bonnet, or whatever style of bonnet you have been using on your head, and you know, all the oil that you have on your head rubbed on your pillowcase and your face is on it, you start having breakouts. There is no how you're going to have all those amazing stuff that you put on your hair before you sleep, just to make it, you know, to retain moisture, to be in good position, and you wake up without, you don't even use bonnet at all. You don't even use bonnet, you just go to sleep just like that on a cotton pillowcase. Then every other product rub on it, then it goes on your face, then you start having breakouts. Then you'll be wondering why you're having breakouts. Another thing is, some of us, we don't change our pillowcase. Some of us, we use that pillowcase for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, use it for like a month before we change it. Of course, you're going to have breakouts. Like I said, I'm going to have another topic entirely on that. I just wanted to ship that in. All right, so these are my 5 points about the 5 top benefits of wearing satin bonnets. So before I round up this video, I'm going to be introducing to you the one that I've been using recently. I have some other ones that I've been using recently, but I decided to try out this by Niela. Niela is also a YouTuber just like me. If you all don't know, she's based in Canada. She's a Nigerian based in Canada, and she's a content creator. I'll put information in the description box. Please support, you know, small businesses. So all right, let's support each other for us to be able to, you know, to continue to grow. All right, so I'm going to be featuring a satin bonnet, which is made with this beautiful fabric. It's a satin bonnet. The inside is made of satin. All right, so this is the inside, and this is very big. No matter the hairstyle, and it has an adjustable string right here, look at that. No matter the hairstyle that you have going on, even if you have those long braids, which sometimes I do wear, this is why I love this. You can, it will fit in. You look at that. And this that I have going on my head too, of course I'm going to try it on for you guys to see how I'm going to do this. For me, I don't recommend wearing bonnets out of the house. Like, if I'm going out, immediately I take out my bonnets and just put my hair in good style, and just quickly go grab whatever I need to go grab and come back home. But if you are the type that you just think that, okay, it cannot look stylish, like, you know, you want to quickly run out of the house, I'll also show you how you can style that. All right, so let me go on and put this on. Don't forget, this is by Niela Obijiako. She's a YouTuber. I'll put a link in the description box. Also, she has some other accessories she sells on her website, and also she has some kind of she has another head warmer for we that will live in this part of the world, that if it's too cold, that you can just use to protect your ears and your head. You know, she has that one on her website as well. I also forgot to mention that this bonnet came with the a scrunch. Yeah, if that is the what they call it, you know, to bond your hair in place, just to put it, you know, you can just, and I just have that. You could use it that way. You know, I always say my head is small. Even with a small, you know, style I have going on, I still was able to kind of, you know, put it, and you see how big it is. So this, you just tuck it in and nobody will know that you have that string going on. It's really, really comfortable, and it's very, very beautiful. I like it. It's very, of course, I like it. It's beautiful. I like it. See, that is it. So if you are the type that you like to go out with your bonnets and you just want to go to the coffee shop, or you want to quickly go do the grocery and you don't want to leave house, you still want to have this on, I would just recommend you putting, you know, the front one, those elastic gathering at the front. I don't know if that is the right word, but in order for it not to look like bonnets, I will just tuck in those ones right there, like so. I will tuck it in so that that one will not show, will not be obvious that it's bonnet. It just look like a hat. Of course, a big hat. I mean, I don't wear bonnet outside my house, believe me. So I'm just saying, just in case if you are the type. And I will be thinking of just putting something just to make it look a little bit chic and stylish. So people will just, you know. I mean, I'm just saying, if you wear your bonnet out, I would just want to make it look like it's just an hat that I just want to use to go out to somewhere. You know, just quickly, instead of making it look very obvious like it's bonnet. See, you see, I always find a way out to style something. You see that I did this on the camera, you know, it just came to me like so. And yeah, that is it. Well, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and please do not forget to check out Niela Obijiako. Link will be in the description box. Our information will be in the description box. Please check her out. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, please support our small business, which is going to become bigger by the grace of God. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.